guys, welcome back to my channel for a quick Walmart run. Today's mini haul ended up being free and $7.83 money maker. Continue watching and see how I scored these deals. I'm going to pick up two Energizer swings. They are priced at $8.47 each and the two will total $16.94. And we have three apps that you can use to make these two items free and money maker. The first one will be Ibotta. Submit your receipt to Ibotta for $8.47 back for buying two. And the second app will be the swag box or inbox dollars. You can only use one, you cannot submit to both. And it's giving back $8 for buying two. And the last one is Shopkick. It's giving back 525 kicks on each bag, limit of 4 and 10 scan kicks. And that means Shopkick is giving back $4.28 for buying these two bags. After all these rebates, this transaction will end up being free and $3.81 money maker. And this is my receipt. I paid just $16.94 out of pocket, and I submitted my receipt to Ibotta for $8.47 back for buying two. Submitted my receipt to Swagbox and I got back $8. And I submitted my receipt to Shopkick and I'm waiting for the 525 cakes on each bag. The next two items I picked up is the Tyson chicken nuggets. They are priced at $6.46. I'm picking up two, and the two will total $12.92. You can pick up the 4 nuggets, it don't matter, as long as it's the ones priced at $6.46. And Ibotta is giving back $6.46 for buying two. Shopkick or inbox dollar will give back $6 for buying two. And remember, you can only submit to one app. Shopkick will give back 500 cakes for buying each bag, limit of 4. And we also have a 10 cake for scanning it in the store. When you convert the cakes for these two bags, it will be $4.04. I paid $12.92 out of pocket and I submitted my receipt to Ibotta and I got back $6.46. I got back another $6 from Swagbox for buying two. I submitted my receipt to Shopkick, still waiting for that rebate. When I get my rebates back for this transaction, these two bags will end up being free and $3.58 money maker. This next item I didn't pick up, but I just wanted to share it. The Crest Arctic Fresh is priced at $5.22, and when you scan it on Ibotta, it's attaching to two offers. One is a $2 bag and the second one is $3, which will end up making it just 22 cents only. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching and thank you all for all your support, and I hope you score. I will talk to you all next time. Bye.